Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I have had like a headache for 2.5 days. I'm kind of starting to feel a little bit better, but I still have like some lingering pain like on this side of my head. Like I was in so much pain. Like I would wake up in the middle of the night and I would just feel my head throbbing, and I can still kind of feel it right now, but this is like the best I felt in like a day and a half, 2 days. So I wanted to put on some makeup and film a video for you guys because I don't have time to film anymore. I feel like I'm always busy or I don't feel good, and it's just, I really wanted to film a video. So I've been like collecting these empty perfume bottles for like a little over a month now, maybe like 2 months. And I wanted to share with you guys all of my empty perfumes and like tell you guys would I repurchase them, would I not repurchase them, and so on and so forth. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So here's my big empty, not really big empty, but here's my empty bag of perfume bottles. So I'm just gonna kind of like pull from the top and like go from there. So the first one, they're a little dusty because they've been sitting in my room for like a month and a half, 2 months. A lot of them are gonna be from Zara, by the way, because I have a lot of Zara perfumes and I go through a lot of them because I use them for work. So this first one is Zara Pink Flame Summer. This was one that I used over the summer and I loved this one. I haven't been able to find it since, but this one I went through pretty quickly because I would use it almost every single day, and I loved it. I love how it made me smell. It lingered really long. It had good lasting power, so this one I really liked. This is, again, Zara Pink Flame. I would totally repurchase that if I can ever find it again. Up next is Kat Von D Saint. This one was another summer perfume for me, and you guys, oh my god, this reminds me of summer, just being tan and being at the pool. Oh my god, I love this scent. I love this scent so much. I wish that they didn't discontinue it at Sephora. I don't know why they did, but I did purchase a lot of mine from, well, I actually purchased all of them from Marshall's, and I have seen them there, but not as often as they were like over the summer, so I don't know if they're like almost out of them, but I'm pretty sure you can still get this from a Marshall's if you guys are interested in it. But like I said, I bought this one, and I still have another one sitting over there that I haven't like used in a long time because I don't want to waste it because I don't know if I'll be able to get it again. So I have this, and then I have one over there, and then I have a little travel size one. But if I could, I would repurchase like 10 of these because I love this so much, and it's an amazing smell. Up next is another Marshall's perfume. This is Britney Spears' Private Show. And you guys, when I first got this perfume, I was like, oh, okay, like it's cool. It's one of those perfumes that like smells okay in the bottle, but when I put it on and I wore it for like a few days in a row, I was like, holy crap, I really actually like, sorry, my hair is bothering me, but I was like, I really like this perfume. It lasted so long. It was $9, and it just had a beautiful like fruity, like mature, like womanly scent, and I love that. And for $9, I would repurchase this over and over and over again. I did get this at Marshall's as well. I haven't seen it though since the first time that I purchased it, so I don't know if this is another one where it's like you can't get it anymore. You know how Marshall's is, they'll have something one day and then like the next day they won't have it anymore. So, but I definitely recommend this one. If you guys can find this, get this, because this is a beautiful scent. I feel like the Kat Von D one is definitely an acquired scent. Not everybody's gonna love that, but I feel like this one, if you need a good, affordable, everyday perfume, Britney Spears' Private Show. Love that. Up next is a YSL perfume. This is Mon Paris. I think the floral one. There's like a few of them. There's the Mon Paris Intense, and then Mon Paris Floral, and I'm pretty sure that's what this one is. It has the little crystals on the front of it. That's how I know that it's different. This one, I wouldn't repurchase. As you can see, I still have a little bit left, but it started to smell like BO. I don't know. It just started to smell weird. And like it smells kind of good right now, but when I would spray it on my body, it would smell like it was expired. Like when I first got it, it smelled amazing the first few times I wore it, and then as I wore it more and more, it just started to kind of like smell like BO, and I was like, not into this, do not like this. So that's why I didn't even finish it, because I was like, I just need to like be done with this because that's how awful it smelled. Up next is another Zara perfume. Like I said, guys, there's going to be a lot of Zara in here because I use them all the time for work. This one is Lightly Bloom. This is what the bottle looks like. This one, I really loved this scent. Like the scent was beautiful. It kind of reminded me of like Viva La Juicy and Victoria's Secret Teas, if you know what I'm talking about. It had that kind of scent to it, but it didn't last. Like this is like a perfume by them, and I purchased it and I wore it to work a few times, and it would fade like midway, not even midway through the day, just like I'd be at work for like maybe an hour or so and I wouldn't be able to smell it anymore, and I was like, that's annoying because I really loved this scent, but the longevity of it was just not there, so I would not repurchase that. If they made more like an intense version of it, I would for sure repurchase it, but this version, So this is another, the next three are going to be Zara perfumes, so don't kill me. But this is Ultra Juicy, and this one, you guys, is my favorite Zara perfume of all time. This is, I mean, it just looks like a regular bottle. You can't really tell because it's empty, but the color in here was pink. And when I wore this, I would get so many compliments on it. This one, the Kat Von D and then the Britney Spears Private Show are probably the ones that I've gotten the most compliments on. This one is amazing. I don't know why I haven't repurchased it yet. I'm pretty sure they still sell it. It's Zara Ultra Juicy. Just the scent of it kind of reminds me of like Barbies and like being like a teenager, and like it kind of also smells like Viva La Juicy, but with more of like a Barbie smell. I don't know how to describe it, you guys, but all I know is it's freaking amazing, and I used to get so many compliments on it every time I would wear it, and I love it. So I would definitely recommend this one. Out of all the Zara perfumes that I talked about, this one is the best so far. One thing I want to say with Zara perfumes is they all smell pretty amazing for the most part, but some of them are hit and miss. Like some of them will smell like have really good longevity, and then other ones you won't be able to smell 5 minutes after you put it on. So they are pretty like hit or miss, touch and go. So this next one is definitely one that's like more like go, you know what I mean? Like it's not that good. This one is the scent. What scent is this? I don't even know if it even says. Oh, Zara White. This is the scent of it, and this one was like not my favorite. Let me smell it. Yeah, like you can't really smell it. Like it didn't have much of like a scent, like at all. And now I'm spraying it now and it smells like nothing. So this one is definitely one that's like, are you even like a perfume? Like, are you just water? Like what exactly are you? Because you don't do anything for me. So yeah, this one, I would not repurchase it because it was not that good. The next one though is my second favorite Zara perfume out of all of them. I have two of them to show you. This is Zara Rose. It's in that same packaging as that white one, but this one, oh my god, it smells, wow. You can even still smell it. Can you spray it? Wow. Oh my god. This one smells so freaking good, and I would repurchase this one a million times, but I haven't seen it in a hot minute, but I also like don't really go to Zara like that. This is again the scent Zara Rose, and oh my god, I got it as a Christmas gift last year, and when I smelled it I was like, hold up, this thing smells amazing. It's a perfume, and it's a great scent, and I love it. Oh my god, I'm smelling it right now. Oh, it smells just so good. This one is like up there with Juicy, with Ultra Juicy. I love both of them so much. So this last one is one that I love so much. I actually have the body cream for it, and I'm actually wearing it right now. This is Way Melrose Place Eau de Perfume. This is what the packaging looks like. I really love Way's packaging. I feel like they always nail it when it comes to their packaging. And this one, oh my god, this is such a good scent. Definitely like one of my favorite perfumes. Well, I mean, they only make two. Way they make this one and like one other one. This one is like my favorite. I love it so much. It has a really like rosy scent, so you have to definitely be somebody that likes the smell of roses. If you don't, you may not like this one, but it has an incredible like lasting power. I would spray and I would smell it for hours. For frigging hours. I would smell it like all day at work, and it smells amazing. It's only, I think it was like $54-ish, around there, but it's actually like a really good perfume. I had it for about a year, and I wore it a lot, and when I would spray this, I would like go crazy spraying it, and I really loved it. And like I said, I have the matching cream right now. I haven't repurchased it yet just because I've been a little cheap, and I was like, I don't know if I want to spend like $54 on it, so I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna purchase it yet. So yeah, I haven't repurchased it just yet, but definitely one of the perfumes that I will 1000% eventually repurchase. It's just such a good scent. And Way, if you guys watch my videos, you know that I love Way so much. So yeah, I feel like they can do no wrong. So this one, I would definitely repurchase. Guys, so that completes this perfume empties video. I thought I had a lot more than what I had, but like I said, it was a lot of Zara perfumes. Let me know down below if you want to see more videos like this. I do have a few perfumes that I'm coming up on like being pretty empty on, so if you want, I will do another like collection, then I will share it with you guys. Just let me know down below. But let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these perfumes and what you think, and if you like this type of video, like, let me know all the deets down below. But yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.